Meaning of gofer.
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 Gofer. Gofer is a slang term that refers to a person who performs menial or routine tasks, often for someone else. It comes from the phrase go for, as in go for coffee or go for lunch. A gofer is typically someone who is willing to do whatever is asked of them without complaint, and they are often viewed as a low-level employee. However, gophers can also be valuable members of a team, especially if they have a good attitude and are willing to learn new things. In short, a gofer is someone who does the dirty work so that others don't have to.